this low here got tested multiple times, and right now we can see the very low is being tested once again at the current price. So that's a good place that price is testing, which means we may expect some kind of rejections on the H4 H1 time frame. So the H4 here, definitely we have a downtrend, and on this downtrend we have what looks like this. Price did something like HNS, right? And price just opened right now. The market has opened, so which means we may see some kind of bullish activities come into this market. The market closed very well. We had a very good bullish candlestick over here, which closed at a very good place. But we need to get a precise entry. So that would be the H1. The H1 would be a good place to use to get into this market. So the H1 here, we have what looks like a bullish trend coming up. You will see something like this. Good. Let me select that. So on the H1 here, you will see something like this going on. You will see moves like this on the H1. Price did something like this, right? So these are some of the things we may use to get back into our trade. So this is the key level from the H4. Remember, the H4 here is a downtrend. The market did something like this on the H4. Price did something like this on the H4. That's the big move on the H4. But on the H1 here, we have price transitioning this way. So price just came from market open. There was a lot of gaps from market open, so we had this gap. But price is about to give us another chance to get back into this trade. And a good place I would love to see get tested would be somewhere around here. That would be a good place I would love to see get tested, and of course with some entry confirmations with some rejections. So if we get rejections at any of these two places, in this case we have two possible entry levels. I have highs on this very zone right here, and I have highs on this other one down here. So at any of these two places, we may get good entries to go bullish. We may get good entries to get back bullish. So